How to upload the long video on Snapchat story. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload a long video on Snapchat story. So the very first option is to go on the Google Play Store. On the top search bar you can simply search for Snapchat and then install the latest version of Snapchat and also update it because the feature might not be available if you don't do so. So if you have already done so, then you can simply open your Snapchat application. Now you have any of the videos selected for Snapchat and you want to upload it on your video, then I would suggest you to just go on that random video and then select parts by parts and just cut it down into small parts like 10-second, 15-second, and then upload one by one on Snapchat story. By doing so, you will be able to upload longer and longer videos on your Snapchat without having a trouble. Or you can simply select this part of story you want to select on Snapchat by just tapping and selecting on the Snapchat. By going on the Snapchat, and after going on the Snapchat option, you can simply go on the story section option, which is on your profile on the top left side, and then select any random video, select and upload it one by one. That's how you can upload longer than longer video on your Snapchat. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.